Hi sweet friends, welcome back to my channel, and hey, welcome from beautiful sunny Florida. I am here with my beautiful family, and we are at a St. Jude golf tournament that my dad puts on every year. It is such a special event. My family is all here. The guys are going to be golfing. Us girls are going to be selling little beverages between the different holes, and I'm just having a great time today for an amazing cause. My dad started this 8 years ago, and it's been such a success. I am so proud of him. And so I want to bring you all along for just this magical time here in Florida. Good morning, friends, from beautiful Clearwater, my sister's backyard. Later today, my friend Lori's going to be here, and one of my sister's dearest friends, Trent, is coming over. And the four of us are going to do some simple and easy, fun DIYs that my sister is going to be able to put here, her outdoor living space. I'm all excited to share them with all of you. But also, I'm going to have my sister film this whole area so you can get the vibe of where we're going to be putting these things, but just how absolutely beautiful it is back here. Like I promised, we're going to do two fun DIYs today. So let me introduce to you who's going to be joining me. Of course, one of my best friends, Lori. One of our dear friends, Trenton. Do you like Trenton?
Trenton's fine.
Okay. Trenton. Of course, you all know my sister, Beverly. So I talked them into doing some DIYs, and we're going to use them around my sister's beautiful outdoor living space, which I'm going to share with you. So today we're going to use this garden lime. We're going to do like a distressed kind of whitewash look here on a few terracotta pots, and then we're going to plant some beautiful flowers to put around my sister's outdoor living space. And then the next thing we're going to do is, remember I made that fairy wreath, and we're going to do a terrarium. There you go. Thank you.
It's the word we've been working on all day.
We've been working on it. You know me, friends. And so we're gonna have some moss and put some mushrooms and butterflies, and then flameless candles. And we're gonna place them around also out here. It's gonna be so beautiful, a lot of fun. So in the meantime, though, Trenton made us a little beverage to enjoy today. Oh. So mine is over there.
Let me get it for you.
Thank you, Lori.
There you go.
This, what do we call?
This is our naughty lemonade, we call it.
And what's in it?
It's, well, Trent, you
It's
made it.
strawberries, vodka, Crystal Light lemonade, and basil.
Fresh basil, by the way.
Fresh basil. And if you choose not to add alcohol, what would you
Just
put
skip
in?
the vodka.
Okay, there you go.
There you go.
So we're going to say cheers to you all. Thank you for joining me today.
Of course.
Oh,
and we're just going to have so much fun. I'm probably going to put some of this to music so you can just, watch us having a good time here and enjoying our little basil drinks here. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
All right. we've learned a few tips we're going to share with all of you because we did have a lot of the, can you grab that
organic lime?
Yeah. So we had probably more than that, more of it than, no, more water than lime. So the tip is to stir it in really well, right? Start
with your lime in the bowl or any dish that you're using, and then slowly add water on top of that until you get a nice, I wouldn't say watery consistency, just under that, where it covers it. Stir it together. The more water, the longer it's going to take to cover your pot, and you don't want to waste time if we don't need to.
Right, exactly. So those are our tips. So right now they're drying a little bit, and now we're going to make our beautiful fairy kind of garden. And what are they called? What's this?
Terrarium.
Terrarium. So what we have is we want to have flameless candles in there, and we do have a remote, so we have it on a time, or actually it's on, so my sister can just like turn them on and off. And then we're gonna put some, you want to show the moss? A little bit of garden moss inside, and then we're just gonna have fun with it and put some different picks of mushrooms and butterflies and some florals, little florals, and just make it really pretty that we can put underneath actually this area, because it's covered I think with moss and this kind of stuff. We should keep it covered if it's going to be outside. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And the girls said that they wanted Trent and I to be the ones to do the decorating part. But we're going to do the moss.
They're in charge of moss.
We're going to make them do the moss. So we're going to go ahead and get started, and I think it's going to be really pretty. You guys ready?
We're ready.
Let's do it. Okay.
Doing these DIYs. They were so simple and so fun to do. And actually in doing so, I was talking to Trent, my sister and Lori and I, and he was sharing some budget-friendly ideas that he has done around their home. And I thought, oh my gosh, our followers would absolutely love to hear how they can do budget-friendly things around the house. And Trent is the perfect person for sharing those ideas, because he shared some things that I thought would be so super fun. So some of the things that you've done, share with everybody.
I just finished my backsplash in my kitchen, which is, I know, daunting, but it is not. There is new things that they've released, more like peel and stick, but you get to choose your own tile. You don't have to choose from those ones you find on the internet that are only peel and stick. You can actually get the ones you want and then turn it into the kitchen that you want.
And as far as your next thing is what?
My next thing is going to be redoing our entire stone fireplace. We're going to be changing the color, repainting, resealing, and making the whole dynamic just feel more open. So that'll be something to watch out for.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. So I think that you guys can learn so much from Trent too. So I thought it would be so much fun, in addition to the things that I share with all of you, to have Trent share his segments for all of you to learn a lot more from. So hope you stay tuned.
I want to interrupt 1 second, but
Okay.
I really think this is just adds more value to your subscribers on what they can do for their house, on just adding more perspectives. I think that's awesome.
And they can list
excited.
what things they might want to see done.
Yeah.
Yeah, let
That's
us
a good
know.
thing.
Like, let us know in the comment section what
section.
you'd like to see done, because I think that you can do so many great things that they could learn a lot from. As far as these
Budget-friendly.
little DIYs that I share with you in my Days in Life videos.
Absolutely.
So I just want to always add so much value to our channel, and I just love having Trent join in.
Tonight was a blast.
It was so much fun, you friends. So I just love you all so much.
And also, don't forget to add your questions to the comment sections, because Karen and Trent and Lori and I would love to
We'd love to help and
answer in any kind of way we can.
Well, look at how pretty the terracotta pots look. And we thought we'd group them together here in the corner with the flowers. I love it here. Now we're going to show you the terrariums. So beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this segment of today's video. Let us know if you enjoyed it, and we're going to have so much more fun to share, because Trent is going to be doing a little line dancing for all of us.
Oh, wait
Stay
till that
tuned.
one.
Stay
Stay tuned.
tuned.
That's
So
gonna be a
much
fun
fun,
one.
and it's more summer fun here out in the beautiful, beautiful state of Florida in Clearwater.